Hi, there are two ways how you can check battery level on your Google Pixel Watch Free. The first one is you can just swipe down from your current watch face to trigger quick settings, and in here find this icon with battery, which is showing your current battery percentage. In my case, it is 82%. And also by tapping it, you can enable battery saver mode here. Another way how we can check it is by adding battery complication to watch face. For that, press and hold your current watch face, tap this pen icon to edit it, and then swipe left till you can see those circles which you can edit. Select one, and instead of alarm, I can choose battery. So I'm gonna scroll through the list, and this is battery. If I tap this crown, I will confirm changes, and now I can always find my battery percentage right on current watch face. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.